Hi everyone, thank you for joining me for this quick 5-minute full body stretch. So we don't have any time to waste, so let's begin by coming into our tabletop on the hands and the knees, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. And let's just go ahead and start with some cat-cows here. Inhaling as we roll forwards and drop the belly. Exhaling chin to chest, round the back. Every inhale to come forwards, every exhale, send it under. Just bringing as much of a stretch through the spine as we can, maybe starting to really exaggerate these movements, make them as big as they can be. And then come back to center and drop the elbows onto the floor. Keep the hips high and over the knees and just start to take some big circles with those hips. Just circling one way and then taking a few in the other way. And then come back to center, return the hands back to the floor and engage your core as we lift the right leg out and away. Just hold it here, take a few little circles through the right ankle. And then we're going to bring that right foot up and in between your hands. We're going to come into a low lunge, so lift the fingertips up, drop the hips forwards, take a few breaths here into the front of your left hip. And then return the hands back to the floor, right knee steps back, engage the core as we lift the left leg. Take a few little circles through the ankle. And then step the left foot forwards in between the hands. Come into your low lunge by lifting the fingertips up, opening the chest, stretching out the front of your right hip. Dropping the hips down and forwards. And then return the hands back to the floor, step the left knee back, and then we're going to tuck the toes under and start to lift the hips high, send them back into your downward facing dog. Maybe we pedal out the feet here, bending each knee at a time. Reaching each heel down towards the mat. And then come into stillness. Take a full deep breath here in your downward facing dog. And then take the gaze back towards the toes, bend the knees if you need to, and walk the hands back towards your feet. Meet me in a forward fold here at the back of your mat. Take hold of opposite elbows and just find a little sway from side to side. Return back to center. Take the hands back to the mat and this time walk the hands forwards into your plank. So the hands are under the shoulders. If we're in a high plank, the knees are lifted. If we're in a low plank, we can bring the knees to the floor. But hold it here, strengthen through the arms, engage the core. On an inhale, we're going to roll your weight forwards. As we exhale, we slowly lower all the way down to your belly. Untuck the toes, keep the hands under the shoulders, and as we inhale, we lift the head, we lift the chest, we look forwards. Take a few deep breaths here. Hugging those elbows in towards your rib cage. And then exhale, slowly lower back to the floor. Press the hands into the mat, lift the hips and send them back. For a child's pose, take the forehead to the mat. Relax the chest, relax the hips. Take a deep breath. And then we release by walking the hands all the way back towards the knees, coming into this upright seated position. And from here, just lift the left hand up, bring the right hand towards the upper back, and we can either use the left hand to press the elbow gently back, or if it's within our practice, maybe we reach that arm around, see if we can make that bind. And then exhale, release. We do the same thing other side. So reach the left hand all the way up, take the hand onto the upper back, and then either press the elbow back, or if it's within our practice, we can take that arm all the way behind, see if we can make that bind. Keep the chest open, the gaze forwards. One more full breath here. And then release the arms, come back to center, take whatever else you feel like you need to take, whether it's a few little rolls through the shoulders or maybe some neck rolls side to side. And then eventually coming back into stillness. And thank you for practicing with me. Hopefully you're feeling better than you did 5 minutes ago. Please like, please subscribe, and have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.